Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to make another recipe which we have made before, which is a butter, but this one is a little bit different, easier, more accessible because of the ingredients and much more nutritious. So you're going to love it, as always. And for this recipe, we're going to use our good old oats, to which we're going to hydrate by adding it to a bowl with water. Now, I need to tell you guys something that happened to me before. Don't add too much water, because if you add too much water, we're not going to add lecithin, okay? So what's going to thicken up this recipe is another ingredient we're gonna add later, which is the coconut oil and the oats, because they firm up, right? Especially once they're cold in the fridge. So if you add too much water, it's not going to firm up. It's going to be something like a cream cheese of sorts, you know? So bear with me, not too much water. The measurements is going to be in the description, in the video description. Under the video, you just expand, as well as on my website, all right? Now we're going to let the oats to rehydrate or hydrate for at least 4 hours. And once they are puffed up, you add them to a blender, along with olive oil. It has to be extra virgin olive oil, all right? Coconut oil, salt, and a pinch of turmeric for that signature beautiful yellowish chartreuse color. So this is it. Now you blend it very well, because we want to get rid of the grainy consistency of the flakes, you know. So blend it very, very well. And once it's blended, we're going to transfer it to a container, cover, and put it in the fridge for at least 6 hours. You ask me many times, is there another alternative for a vegan butter that doesn't have lecithin, like the one we've made before? If you want to know how it's made, it's equally easy. It's just a few ingredients and blend it. Click over here, okay? But this one, it has more of these rustic flavor, and it has also that good feeling that you're eating healthier. Butter is life. So good. And you can use it for recipes. You can use it to saute things, saute food. You can use it for any recipe you would use if it requires butter. The taste is amazing. It's, oh my God, especially if you love oats, then this is for you. All right, so this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Follow me on my social media. Post it on Instagram and Facebook if you make it. All right, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye.